Yeah, so next we go to the topic called NAT gateway. NAT gateway is called as the network address translations. How it can use means it is a basically a public and private subnet using only. Uh, while I am taking remote from the on premises, I'm taking remote from to the Mumbai region. Mumbai region, there is one public and private subnet is there, and what it can means that is the same purpose only for private and public IP. We can previously we can talk about that now. Same only, that is a on premises taking the remote to the on premises means that there is a internet connectivity is there na, that is also called as an NAT gateway. How I can means I can explain that. mm, on premises data means we can there is public to private, we can public private come go, but public to it will come and go, but internet to the private will not reach. Okay, we will not reach for the internet gateway, will not reach directly. Internet directly reaches, it need reach the private subnet. How it's reach means on premises data, I am in the organization, I'll send a I will take a remote to that Mumbai region. I want to access the private subnet. There is an update in the private subnet like Apache server. There is one update in the private subnet. I can take the internet connectivity. It's going back to ISP, internet service provider, and it go to the internet gateway. Like internet gateway in the sense is a internet gateway in the sense connectivity in the sense it is a NAT gateway. NAT gateway is an internet connectivity. We want to access private subnet means we want NAT gateway, that is called the internet connectivity. We will not directly internet it didn't directly access the private subnet. Only NAT gateway will directly access the private subnet. If there is an update means it's go to the internet connectivity. Internet connectivity will go to the private subnet and sorry, route tables. Route tables is going to security group. Security group allows the packet to the private subnet. Then there is any update it happen means that will happen. This is called a NAT gateway. NAT gateway will operate inside or outside only, or inside to outside only, not outside to inside. Like there is only inbound communication between the on-premises data, on-premises outside on-premises organization and the private subnet. Only inbound, not the outbound connection configurations occurred. NAT gateway is only for the private subnet only. Okay. For the general information, I have to tell one. If there is 3 instances or NAT gateway is there, 3 instances can use only one NAT gateway only. If there is 3 instances in the like in Mumbai regions means like public, private, and we go back to the elastic. Okay, when 3 instances, same 3 instances about private means 3 instances is comes under the NAT gateway only. Okay, NAT gateway supports the protocols like TCP, UDP, and ICMP protocols. Okay, and RDP also. NAT gateway supports IPv4 and IPv6. NAT gateway supports like what I can tell means 5 Gbps bandwidth to scale up the 100 Gbps bandwidth. Likewise, the NAT gateway supports. NAT gateway process 1 million packet per second. Automatically, it scaled up to 10 million. Like there is automatically scale up option in the NAT gateway also. You can't associate the we can't associate security group which is in the NAT gateway. We can't associate that. Next we go back to next. You can use network ACL. ACL means like ACL ACL means access control list. Yeah, access control list. Access control is basically a set of rules. Okay, that controls inbound and outbound traffic for the subnet levels. You can route the traffic to NAT gateway through a VPC peering. A VPC peering is the next part. I can tell that. First, we can launch one instances. Okay, it's 2 instances running like that. It will come, but it will no. That's not. It's terminated. Okay. Sorry. Terminated. Okay. Go back to the dashboard. We can launch the instances. Yeah, 0. We can launch the instance. launch instance in same region also. Okay, first we like we take it as a like we take it as a what we can take it means like wait a second wait a second yeah, this is that VPCB and NAT gateway. Yeah, NAT gateway is there. Here NAT gateway is there na? We can open on EC2 instances. We can like we can launch an instance like called Windows public. We can Windows public. We can name it like that, and same only 2022 base. 2025 base is too lagging, so that's why I'm using 2022 base. Okay, 32 micro. The key pair is same key pair, like existing key pair only. Linux, we can use that Linux also. Then go back to the default. We can click the custom VPC, and here public one. Okay, automatically enabled, and same security group, existing security group, same security group, and we can launch an instance. Okay, we can launch an instance. And we go back to the second, we can launch another instance called a private instance. We go back to the launch instance. It is a private, Windows private. We can give that Windows private. We can give it like this. Okay. And same for all the window public and private. Here we go back to the 2022 base. And same key pair, and here custom VPC, there will be a VPC private one. Yeah, VPC private one. Okay, and here we can disable that. Why means auto assign IP, public IP. Here they mention public IP. We already launched the public IP. Here private IP. Then we go back to security group and custom VPC demo SG, and same, there is no changes in that, and we can launch the instance. Running pending only. It's initializing. When we go back to NAT gateway, it will terminate. It will essential 2x2 check come. Then we go to VPC, and there is NAT gateway is there na. Click this NAT gateway, and we can create a NAT gateway. Yeah, we can create a NAT gateway. Then in this we can create a NAT gateway is called custom custom VPC, like NGW NAT gateway. We can give that subnet. We can give subnet like public one. We can give, and public we can allocate the elastic IP also. That will allocated. We can create a NAT gateway. We can create a NAT gateway and go back to the root tables. And custom VPCRT is there na. Click on root tables and select the custom VPCRT. And action is there, edit root, and here there is we create an NAT gateway for that custom VPC. Yeah. NAT gateway Aquila. So we can add that the root 0.0.0. Go back to the NAT gateway, and NAT is there. We can give this and save changes. Okay, it will create it and check the connectivity in a PowerShell. We can go to the instance, EC2 instance, whether it will EC2 instances. Go with the public, connect this, give the RDP, the same, give that, go to the administrator, connect this and get the password, get the private key. The next one is the decrypt it. Okay. It will opens. Next we go to the private IP. To go to the instances and launch the private IP, launch connected, and DP client is there. Get a password like Linux PIM, can decrypt it, go back to the RDP, here we can put the RDP here. It's too lagging. RDP, the remote connections there, and here we can paste the private IP administrator. Okay, give us, it will connect the private subnet. Yeah. and here we can open the command prompt. Open the command prompt cmd command prompt, and we can ping in the facebook.com, in the facebook.com. That is interesting. What is this? Oh, we are in the private segment. Sorry. Okay. Okay, here we can ping it that, but there is no private subnet is there. Yeah, it's pinging. Okay, welcome. We are on the cmd ping whatsapp.com. Now it will come. Okay, this come. Let's solve for that today's session, and we can dislocate all the one, like go to etc and we can delete the NAT gateway with the NAT gateway, delete NAT gateway, delete. Okay. Then we go back to the elastic IPs. Here we can delete the elastic IP. It's too cost for elastic IP. Release the elastic IP. Cannot release the association. Oh, it will take times. Okay, so that's it. It's deleting, but it takes time a little bit. Like we can dissociate that, and that's the reason. Just we can wait for few minutes. At that time only it will comes. It will comes means it takes time, little bit time. It takes little time. It will not come, but it will takes time to come. It will not come. Can refresh that here. So gateway. So okay, we can go back to the EC2 instance, and we can terminate the EC2 instance, and we will come. It will terminate this too. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Connected. Instances. Instance states. Terminate the two. Private and public. Then this two. Terminate it. And we go back to the VPC. Wait for a few minutes to return to elastic IPs. Click the elastic IP and release that elastic IP. It will comes. Release this. It will release. We didn't release the elastic IP means we want to pay some more amount for AWS, so that's why I'm releasing here. It's okay. NAT gateway, we can delete the NAT gateway also. Yeah, NAT gateway will delete it. That's already deleted and deleted and deleted and deleted. And go back to the VPC and subnet is there. Subnet is there. Internet gateway. NAT gateway. Yeah, okay. It will attach to internet gateway. Okay. That's all for the today's session. Yeah, thank you.